Let's start off with you, the Chartbuster.
So it's from the PSU banking lot, and Bank of India is something which I would want to highlight at current levels. A very interesting chart because over the last 2 months specifically, we've seen outperformance coming out from very few select PSU banking names. Now, the stock on the short-term charts formed a base which was sub 100, 95, 97 approximately, where the stock formed a base. And from there, from an earlier trend when the stock was going through a downward trend of lower highs and lower bottoms, the stock has now started to get back into a trending manner where it forms a pattern of higher highs and higher lows. Now, the recent low which was tested for Bank of India, which is around the 110 mark, the candlestick pattern is the most interesting one. It's a classic bullish hammer candlestick pattern for Bank of India, coinciding with the trendline support for the stock. Indicates that the stock is getting ready for a V-shaped recovery. My sense is that the stock should come back towards at least 122, 125 zone over the very short term. So traders could look at least a 10% pop into many of these PSU banking names, including Bank of India.
Okay, thanks for that. Let's take it across to Naresh and find out what his Chartbuster call is. Naresh?
So that's the chart for State Bank of India, the largest PSU bank. Now, if you look at the last 1 year, roughly, we've seen multiple bottoms around the 740, 770 mark. So a strong base has been made. Even in the last few months, there has been multiple bottoms around 770. On the upside, 860, 870 has been a resistance, which has been trying to break out for the last almost 6 to 8 sessions. Eventually, I would expect this to break out and go into a new all-time high. There have been multiple tops around 900, 910 also. So I would expect the next move to be closer to 1,000 rupees. It's an accumulator at current levels with a stop loss of 830 and a target price of 1,000 in medium term.
Right, okay, let's get at some individual trading ideas then as well, Kunal.
So Manappuram Finance, of course, one of the better performers for today. It looks attractive. Current levels close to 186. Would look out for targets in the range of 185. Stop loss could be kept at 180. And Bajaj Finance is something which has been starting to be a lot more consistent on the short-term charts. Buy with a target of 7,400. Stop loss at 7,100.
All right, Naresh, let's get in your top trading calls.
So first is a buy on Bharti. It broke out on Friday. I've seen a little bit of a dip today. A good buying opportunity. Stop loss at 1620. Target price of 1750. Second is the bar on Info Edge. Stock continues to make new 52-week highs. Good slow and steady momentum. Stop loss at 8,600. Target price of 9,200.